stop wasting your money on chickens before you watch this. Most backyard farmers automatically pick chickens without thinking twice, but in 2026, they are losing money every single day to a much smarter option. If you want to build a truly profitable small farm, hit that like button and subscribe right now. Quail are much cheaper and faster to get started with than chickens. A solid chicken coop can easily cost thousands of dollars, and hens take nearly 6 months just to lay their very first egg. In comparison, you can build a complete quail setup for a fraction of that cost, and Coturnix quail begin laying eggs in just 6 to 8 weeks. This means your farm starts generating income almost 3 times faster. Quail also require far less food and space to maintain. A single chicken eats around 90 pounds of feed every year, whereas a quail eats only a tiny fraction of that amount. Because of their small size, you can comfortably house 4 to 5 quail in the exact same space needed for just 1 chicken, allowing you to produce significantly more eggs per square foot. Finally, quail eggs sell for premium prices, often bringing in $4 to $8 per dozen at local farmers markets, specialty stores, and high-end restaurants. While chickens still hold a larger general meat market, quail offer much higher profit margins with less total investment. The smartest farming strategy is to keep a small flock of chickens for basic local sales, while relying on quail to generate your real daily profit.